K2. I'm your teacher Humaira Saeed, and today we are going to learn more about forms of adjective. In the previous lesson, I have told you that what an adjective is. All the describing words that describe a noun are called adjectives. Now we will learn about the forms of adjective. The adjective we have learned in the previous lesson is called the positive form of adjective. Today we will learn about the comparative form of adjective and the superlative form of adjective. In comparative adjective, we always add er with the positive form of adjective, and in the superlative form of adjective, we add est with the positive form of adjective. You have to learn it. In the comparative, you will use er, and in the superlative form you will add est. Now you must be thinking that why to add er and est with the positive form of adjective. Let me give you an example to explain it. I have two cards here. This one is the red card and this one is the white card. So I am going to make a comparison between these two cards. When you are going to compare two nouns, that form of adjective is called a comparative adjective. Comparative means comparison. The word comparative comes from the word comparison. Comparison between two things is called the comparative adjective. When there is a comparison between with one thing with all the other things, that form is called the superlative form of adjective. When you are going to compare one noun with many nouns, that form is called superlative. And when you are going to compare one noun with another one noun, only two things when there are, so you will say that it is the comparative form of adjective. Now I have two cards in my hand. I am going to compare it. So it's a comparative form of adjective because I am having two things. When there are two things, that is called the comparative form of adjective, and you have to add er with the positive form of adjective. Red car, white car. Red car is smaller than the white car. I have make a comparison of red car with the white car, so I will say that red car is smaller than white car. Now, where to use est? I have already told you that when you have to make a comparison of one noun with many nouns, that form is called the superlative form of adjective, and you have to add est with that. I have four cards here. The green, blue, white and red. I am having four cards here. So when I will make a comparison of these two cards, I will say red card is smaller than white card. If I am going to make a comparison of this red card with all the rest of these cards, I would say that red card is smallest among all the cards. Red card is smallest among all the cards. Or I can say that blue card is the biggest card among all the cards. In four cards में this is the big one card. ये सबसे बड़ी कार्ड है, तो जो सबसे बड़ी चीज होती है उसको हम est की फॉर्म में यूज करते हैं. That is called the superlative form of adjective. The blue card is the biggest card among all the cards, and the red card is smallest card among all the cards. I hope I am clear till now. Let's move forward. When you have to make the comparative degree of noun, comparative degree of adjective, you have to add er with it. So I am having the word big here. You have to make a comparative degree of it. So I will add er with it. Here I have written another g. You must be thinking that why have I written another g? The simple rule is that when a vowel comes before a consonant, we have to make that consonant, we have to write that consonant two times. So I is a vowel, it's coming before a consonant. So I have make it. times because G is coming after a vowel. Likewise, I will write double G here with EST. Before writing EST, I will write G once again. Then I will add EST to make a superlative degree of adjective. Now I have a word tall here. Tall is the positive form of adjective. To make a comparison of two nouns, we will write ER with it. It will become tall. It will become taller. Let's take another example of these forms of adjective. I have a word here, tall. So to make a comparison between two things, I will write ER with it. It will become taller. And I have to make superlative degree of adjective. So what should I add with it? Yes, EST. I will write TALL tall, that is the positive form of adjective. Then I will add EST with it, so it will become tallest. To make a comparative degree, we write ER, and to make a superlative degree, we write EST. So tall will become taller, and taller will become tallest in the end. There is another describing word, good. So good will change into better. ER is coming in the end. But the same rule we cannot follow here, like we have followed in the previous describing words. Good will become better and better will become best. The best thing among all the things. Best means one thing that is best among all the things. That is a comparison of one noun with all the nouns. And better means comparison of two nouns. So, I have another adjective here that is called pretty. Beautiful, pyara, khubsurat, pretty. We have to make a comparative degree of pretty. So what will I do? Should I write PRETTYER? Is it right? No. We have already learned in grade 1 that whenever an adjective ends with Y, we cannot write Y like that. We have to change that Y, we have to cut that Y, and we will write I instead of that. I will change into Y when we have to make a comparative form of adjective. I will write TRETT, we will cut Y. Instead of Y, I will write I. Then we will write ER with it to make the comparative degree. Pretty will become prettier. And same like that, you have to write PRETT. Instead of Y, you will write I. Then what will you write in the superlative form of adjective? EST. Pretty will become prettier and prettier will become prettiest. But instead of Y, we will write I in both of the forms of adjective. Let's give you an example. I am having some vase here with flowers. These are the vase. Yellow flowers, orange flower, and the off-white flowers. So I would say that if I have to make the comparison of these two flowers, I will say that the orange flower is prettier than the off-white flower. Now I am making a comparison between these two flowers. If I have to make a comparison of this orange flower with the rest of the many flowers, I will say that orange flower is the prettiest flower among all the flowers. I hope I am clear about my topic, that is forms of adjective. Let's see you in the next video. Till then, take care. Allah Hafiz.
वही 1 दिन ही हुए हैं। किसी शुक्र है आप जल्दी खत्म कर दी।